What's the difference between alone and lonely? Hello everyone, welcome to my English Planet. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the differences between these two similar adjectives in only 2 minutes. So let's go. Alone. When you say you're alone, it means that you're physically alone. There is no one around you, and there isn't anybody in a place except for you. So being alone is not a bad thing, or it's not a bad situation. Even in my opinion, it's necessary for all of us to be alone for some time, to spend some time with ourselves and do the activities we enjoy. Like, I don't know, listening to music, reading books, or, these hobbies and activities. So pay attention to these examples. Jack's grandmother lives alone. It means that in that home there is no one except for Jack's grandmother. Or you shouldn't leave your baby alone at home. It's too dangerous. Okay? Or when Sarah was in Japan, she was alone. It means she traveled there without anyone. Okay? On the other hand, loneliness or being lonely is not a good thing. It's a sad situation. When you say you're lonely, it means that you feel lonely inside. Even you can feel like this when you're in a crowd or you're among your friends. Again, it means that you have no one to talk to, or you feel like you have no one to be comfortable with. Okay? And it's not a physical situation. It's a mental condition, or it's a state of mind. So pay attention to these examples. Nowadays, she feels lonely because all her children have left home. Or, I think we should help this man. He's old, he's lonely, and he's disabled. So we need to help him. Okay? Or like, nowadays I'm afraid of being lonely. I don't like to feel lonely at all. So we have some seconds left, and I told you the differences between alone and lonely. Yeah. So here we have a small quiz. I give you time. Please look at these sentences and try to fill in the blanks with alone and lonely. Don't forget to comment your answers. When I was a child, I used to be afraid of being... Now that I've grown, I don't like to feel... So this is our quiz. Try to answer it. So in the sentence that I've just told you, I used some words like used to and afraid of. So if you don't know how to use these words in your sentences, watch these videos that I put here. And I also put the links of these 2 videos in the description too. They are too short, but they are really useful. You're going to learn how to use afraid of and used to in your sentences. And our video is finished. I tried to explain the differences between alone and lonely. I hope you find this video interesting and useful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!